Once upon a time, there was a very special monkey. Monkey was our best friend. Monkey loved to play with us, always full of joy and fun ideas. Together, we had many adventures. Monkey loved to run in the farm, climb the trees, and see the animals. And at the playground, oh, what fun! Monkey was the king of the swings, always laughing and making us laugh too. Being with Monkey made us happy. He knew how to turn any day into a big adventure, and it didn't matter where we were, at the farm, the playground, or even at the house. With Monkey, everything was more fun. And the most important thing, he made us happy just by being with us. One day we arrived at school, excited to play with our friend Monkey. But when we looked for him, he wasn't there. But oh dear, where is Monkey?
Where is Monkey? I don't know. Monkey, where are you? Let's go.
The children started searching everywhere. First they went to the playground where he was always playing.
Monkey!
But he wasn't there.
I'm looking for you. Ooh, Monkey, where are you? Let's look for Monkey. You can look too.
Did you see Monkey? Yeah. Like looking for.
Then they had an idea to ask all the animals in the school if they had seen Monkey around.
Did you see Monkey? I don't know. Let's go.
More and more worried, they kept calling for him.
Monkey, where are you? Where is Monkey? I don't know. Let's go. Monkey is not in here. As I said, we will monkey.
The children were determined to find Monkey and would not give up. So they had a brilliant idea. They decided to draw pictures of Monkey so others could help in the search. They got crayons and large papers and started creating detailed drawings of their monkey friend. Hope grew, and everyone was excited to join the search and bring Monkey back to school.
Monkey aparece. Monkey aparece. Monkey, você tá vazio? Tá vazio não, viado. Viado já viu. Monkey, where are you? Você tá viajando de avião? Por acaso você tá indo na praia, algum lugar? Monkey, eu te amo. Feito, o Monkey, ele foi de aparecido. A gente tem que achar. Vai poder Você tá passeando, Monkey? Monkey, que você está pensando? Tô sentindo muita saudade de você. Você tá viajando de avião, você pode levar e dar um lugar assim? Eu vou te dar uma madeira, se você quiser ir na minha casa. Cadê você? Cadê você, Monkey? Eu te amo. Eu te adoro. Monkey, cadê você? Por favor, volte. Por favor, volte. Eu quero te ver tanto. Eu ajudo. Eu quero te encontrar pra vir aqui. Cadê você? Vem aqui, agora. Vem aqui, mano. Eu tenho um desenho pra você.
They asked everyone to look at the drawings and help find Monkey. Children put the drawings in visible places so everyone could see and help in the search. The children knew that every place was important in the search for Monkey. They imagined how sad he might be without his friends and were determined to find him. They kept searching. They searched so much that they were even tired. But they couldn't stop. Time was precious. They knew they couldn't waste a minute because Monkey needed their help. Then they had a brilliant idea to write down all the things Monkey likes and use that as clues for the search.
Jimmy, Monkey likes fire. Yeah! Monkey likes to play. Yeah! Monkey loves toys. Yeah! Monkey likes sounds. Yeah! Monkey likes to eat. Yeah!
With the clues, the children became more excited. Now they had valuable leads to follow and a new strategy to find Monkey. With their hearts full of hope, they set off once again on the search, and finally the search was successful. The children found Monkey in the place he loved the most. With smiles and hugs, everyone celebrated the reunion, happy to be together again. And so, our story ends with the best friends, showing how unity and determination can overcome any challenge.
We found you, Monkey.
Woo!
Monkey is happy.
They taught everyone the importance of never giving up, always helping each other, and that with love and friendship, anything is possible.